We'd like to show you one of our favorite quick cleaning products for jewelry called the Sunshine Polishing Cloth. This is a nice soft cloth that has a microabrasive polishing agent embedded within the fabric. The cloth is about 7.5 inches by 5 inches in size when you get it. This size is great for cleaning big items like silverware or serving platters, but for jewelry, we like to cut off a thin strip of the material because it's easier to use with small jewelry items. We'll cut off a strip that's about 1/2 inch wide for this demonstration. Now that we have our small strip, let's see what kind of job it can do. Sunshine polishing cloths work best on surfaces that are smooth. So let's see the results when we clean this sterling silver collar necklace. You can see that the surface instantly brightens up. A few more rubs and that area is just looking great. Now look at the polishing cloth. You can see that the tarnish material has transferred onto the cloth. One of our favorite uses for these cloths is with sterling silver hoop earrings. Just pinch the hoop between sections of the cloth and rub around the ring. Sunshine polishing cloths work on other solid metals as well. Here we are cleaning a solid copper necklace. We don't recommend that you use the cloth on any material that can be damaged by mild abrasion, such as pearls, amber, or soft gemstones like turquoise. You can use the cloth on karat gold and gold-filled items. Gold doesn't really tarnish like silver does, but sometimes it darkens up a bit, so we can brighten it with the cloth. Here's an example of a brass earring on the right that's been cleaned with the cloth. The other one has been left untreated. It's hard to get the cloth into small areas, such as within this ring or inside the links of this chain. But if you're on your way out the door, the Sunshine polishing cloth will still brighten up your jewelry a bit. You can use a polishing cloth until it is completely black and falling apart. Here's one that's been in my jewelry drawer for several months and it still works great. Don't wash them though, as that removes the microabrasive material that's doing the polishing. We also don't recommend polishing cloths in general for electroplated items because the plating is usually so thin that you can polish it right off. Be sure to have one of these handy sunshine polishing cloths available for when you want to make a quick jewelry cleanup.